This one I can get the data. It's from 2019, and I think it's like a 2-ton, but I'm not sure. And that one's running. See, and there's like a fat thing. It's not running though. But yeah. Oh, we got yogurt. 2019. Small yogurt. Oh, there's a good one. Oh, this was just running, I think. Big small one. We got a Linux that's running. 2019. Nice. A small work. Very quiet, but it is working. This one. What? I can't tell if this one just turned off or if it's running on a low ambient curve. I can't tell. I don't think it's even running. But I think this one was just running. I don't feel like waiting for a startup though. Does that Goodman have a giant small compressor? Not a giant one, but it's a big one. We got some carriers right on the sidewalk. Oh, they're both running. This is from 2023. Oh, the tunnels. I think this one is worked as well. I always start zoomed in with it. It's really annoying. But yeah. What's this? Intertherm. Has it been running? Oh yeah. Not sure if it has been running, but it's definitely an older one. I don't feel like reading that. And there isn't any more over here. I think they're all on the other side. Oh wow. There's a lot of units. We have this Goodman. Oh. This is an old York. Just turned off. I think it has a swell compressor though. But yeah. Oh yeah, that is huge. This is massive. What is this? Refrigerator unit? Yeah. I can't read that. Yeah, there's some refrigerating components. I'm not gonna go back there, but I think all these Yorks have swells in them. Let me see. This is from 21. This is three-phase unit. I have no idea. I think that's probably. I think it's three-phase. There's a lot of units there. I wonder if there's more over there, but I think we've seen pretty much all of them. Hey, this is weird. There's literal peacocks here. Look. Oh, these units are right here. Agreement from 2005. The 2005 unit. There's a peacock here. But it's not a touch. Very tall scroll. And this Goodman is running. I don't feel like getting the data off of any of these. Hello, little guy. What are these guys doing here? Oh, there's an old train. There's a bunch of old trains here. Nice. Refrigerating component destroyed. There's some old paint unit. I didn't know that. This one is from 2014. MSH Legacy. Okay, so this one is from 2005. So I'm pretty sure they're old. Yeah, these. Holy crap! There's a massive recip. This one has a giant recip. But I don't think it has been running yet. I'm not sure about that yet. That's like the biggest climate of recip I've ever seen in one of those. Yeah.
Is it like one of those weird things?
Yeah, kind of. Oh, there's more units there. Oh, and also here as well.
Okay, so there was a guy filming.
And I don't know if he was filming us with the vehicles, but I think he was filming us. Yeah, there's the other.
Oh look, there's a bunch more. Oh, there's one behind the air conditioner. That's funny.
That's really cool. Oh, wait.
Does it have a Bristol?
I can't tell, but I think it has a sound blanket. There's a big fat York over there. And a Duquesne. The York is very quiet. Not sure if there's more over here. Maybe there is. No, I think they're on the other side. Oh, this one just turned off. Maybe I could get a startup if I can get back here. No, what the? That is like one of the biggest recips I've ever seen. This one as well. I thought that wasn't it. And this ream is also from 2005. And then there are a bunch of these carriers here. Panes. Oh, wait, this is an inverter. And I think it's starting up. Nice. The heck? Or not. Maybe that was like the regular startup. Wait, no, it is an inverter. Or at least the fan is variable speed. I don't know what year it's from, but that's a cool unit. Okay, so I want to get a startup. One of those two. I want to get a startup of that refrigerating component. It has a giant reset. Yeah. Like
I thought you were hungry.
well, I am kind of hungry. And then finally we got these Dakins over here. I thought they were running.
Okay, go get it started with that refrigerating thing.
Yeah, that's all of them. These aren't running. I'm gonna try for a startup of that thing, but I'm not sure how long it will take though.